Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 5364 East Lake Road on beautiful Canandaigua Lake.
This is a stunning Canandaigua Lake nature getaway with over 100 feet of pristine waterfront.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This is open waterfront living with million-dollar views of Canandaigua Lake. Featuring a stunning great room with an expansive living area with a gorgeous fireplace and random with pegged hardwood floors, leading to a waterfront view dining area, plus a traditional pine kitchen, all with a wall of windows and those scenic lake views. The separate bedroom wing features 3 spacious bedrooms with nature views and a full bathroom. The space is abundant in this home with a convenient spiral staircase leading to a loft area, great for additional guests. Plus a finished walkout lower level with great storage. This place has it all. This expansive wraparound deck totally allows you to relax while enjoying the serene and tranquil setting overlooking the 2.3 acres. Sunsets over the hills, and breathtaking lake views. This is what the lake lifestyle is all about. With over 100 feet of pristine waterfront with a break wall, a permanent dock with a lift, unbelievable southern exposure, and panoramic lake views.
Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do. Whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain. What a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 5364 East Lake Road on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!